Keeping hope alive, understanding the phrase. Hello everyone, and welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to explore a very inspiring phrase, keep hope alive. This phrase is not just about understanding English words, but also about understanding the emotional and motivational context in which they are used. So, let's dive in and learn more about this powerful expression. Keep hope alive is an idiomatic expression in English. An idiom is a phrase where the words together have a meaning that is different from the dictionary definitions of the individual words. In this case, keep means to continue or maintain. Hope refers to a feeling of expectation and desire for a certain thing to happen, and alive means in existence or operation. So, when combined, keep hope alive means to continue to have hope and not give up, even when situations are challenging. This phrase is often used in motivational speeches and writings. It's a call to remain optimistic and maintain a positive outlook. For example, a teacher might say, "Even though the exam is tough, keep hope alive. With hard work, you can succeed." It's used to encourage and inspire people. Keep hope alive has been used in various speeches, songs, and literary works. It gained popularity from political and social contexts, where leaders used it to inspire people during tough times. For example, a politician might use this phrase during a campaign to encourage voters to believe in the possibility of change and a better future. You can use keep hope alive in your daily conversations to encourage someone who is facing difficulties. It can be a powerful way to show support and empathy. Say it to a friend who is going through a hard time, or use it to motivate yourself when you're facing challenges. Keep hope alive is a beautiful expression that goes beyond its literal meaning. It's about nurturing positivity and resilience in the face of adversity. We hope this video has helped you understand and appreciate this phrase more deeply. Keep learning, and keep hope alive in your journey with the English language.